So, this is going to be a bit of a fun video. I've not done one like this before, so it's got a few multiple layers, things that happened a long time apart from each other, but hopefully all result in a fantastic ending. So about 5 weeks ago, I was on Facebook and I had a friend of mine I know from Indian Bike Week in America. He reached out to me, Roger. And he's all the way over in Iowa. And I'll put on the screen in a sec. He shared me a post on another Indian page. I think it's the Vintage Chief page. And yeah, it was a company asking if they could borrow or have a loaner bike that they could model a new exhaust system for. So this is Hitchcock Motorcycles over here in, I think it's Brackley, UK. There'll be more details about them later in the video. So my friend in Iowa reached out to me for a post on an Indian site group for this company wanting to get a donor bike to actually have in the workshop that they could take the exhaust off, then fit custom exhausts for a customer in Australia. So yeah, it's an international effort going on here. So yeah, so this guy reached out, and then with Armar Global, I started posting out, could anyone or was anyone in the UK interested in loaning their bike for this purpose? Now this was 5 weeks ago, so December this was happening. So it's not our riding season typically. Some people do all year round, but a lot of the larger baggers, if they got a lot of chrome, they won't bring them out till sort of March time. So I put some posts up, and I managed to get one of my friends up in the Midlands. He offered his Indian Springfield. A lot of to and froing. I don't know if I'll show any of that. A lot of organisation, going backwards and forwards. And to cut long story short, they came to an agreement. The motorcycle got picked up this morning. So I'm going to put some footage of that up, so you can see the bike being collected, and then it's going off to the factory, I suppose, maybe later on today or sometime before Monday, and then they're going to get it in the workshop Monday to start work, taking the exhaust off.
Road blocked off so we can load up. John's just sorting his van out. She's in. She's in. Oh.
Can I turn it off?
Just press the button. That's it. So how many more jobs you got to do today?
Oh, this is it, I'm going home.
Oh, are you?
I'll drop this off at Tom's.
Have you stopped somewhere overnight then?
Yeah. That's only in Knutsford services.
And basically what they're going to do, they're going to do some mock-ups. The guy in Australia is going to get pictures and then okay, and they'll manufacture him an exhaust. I don't know, I might do a separate video of the guy in Australia with it on his bike. I'll see what Hitchcock say, see if this other guy's open to doing that, and then yeah, it'd be nice to pop out there to see it being put on that one, but yeah, that ain't gonna happen. But yeah, cool story. So it's connections around the world through the love of Indian motorcycles, basically. So yeah, my passion, as a lot of you know. But yeah, no, I think it's cool stories. We'll see how it pans out.